Hi there, this is John Wishart from Northern Ireland Teachers Collaborate, and I'm just going to show you an app that's been sent in by one of our members. It's a really good little app that I've used myself, and I think it's really applicable for all realms of education. Okay, it's great for pupils as well, and great for teachers too. So it's sent in by Samantha Lockhart, and I really do appreciate her sharing this. Okay, it's called SHOWME. Okay, so SHOWME, and it turns your iPad into an interactive whiteboard. Okay, so if you are lucky enough to have a class full of iPad users, they can actually use this to show their answers. And I have used this actually in inspection one time, and it seemed to go down very well. Okay, and it's lots of good fun as well for the pupils as well too. So there's many things you can do with this. Okay, you can put your title at the top. Okay, so Samantha Bailey. You can change that there as well too, obviously, and so we can change the size of it. We can change the color of it. And you can actually add in pictures as well too. You've got a range of selections for pictures, so you can choose a photo that you have, you can take a photo, you can search for images in the web, choose a background, Dropbox or Google Drive. So let's try search for images in the web here. Remember, you can actually record this as well too. Right in the middle of the page here, you can see at the very top, you can see the red record button, and that's what this is used for, to record little movies of you doing bits and pieces, for example equations and things like that. So let's give this a go and see. Okay, so what's a mutton belly? Well, it's going to give you a selection of what a mutton belly would actually look like. There's a good one there that has various key parts of it there as well too. So we'll press done for that. Okay, what we could do then is actually be able to say what the key parts are. Okay, remember you can actually definitely record this as well too. So let's see. Samantha actually has a an Apple Pencil for this here, so it would definitely help out. I'm just using my finger here, so but you can tell how you can actually go about this here and show the key features. You can actually obviously draw this as well too if you wanted. And if you're very good at your drawing, as I'm not, you can actually draw away and see what comes up. Okay, that's quite good if you're doing the re-record button. A lot of the people like to see you doing that, and obviously you can do a Blue Peter and record this at home and play it back to them as well too. So that's quite good. Anything that you make a mistake on, well, you can actually just go back using this little arrow up the top. Okay, and then you can go on to various other pages as well too. So you can use a different page here. So a lot of mathematicians use it for various equations and things like that to show the people. It's really good for little examples like that. What's really good about it though is you actually have various amounts of other ones here too. So you can go through, there's mathematics there, there's organic chemistry, you've got the life cycle of a frog here. So if we go on, we'll be able to see this here. It should have sound as well too, I think.
Life cycles. We're going to take a look at the frog life cycle. At about this time of year in spring, if you're very lucky, you may notice in your pond clumps of frog spawn. Frog spawn is made up of hundreds of eggs surrounded.
Okay, so that all looks very, very good, apart from the the captions at the bottom, which maybe are a little bit off, but it's very, very good the way this is put together, and you can get a sense of how you can actually reach out to your class using little videos like this. Okay, I hope this is useful. It should be something that's very, very applicable to many different realms of our curriculum as well too, so hopefully it's useful. Thank you.